Hello there, plant lovers! Welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, welcome, and I hope you will consider to hit the subscribe button below, hit the all bell, and so you will be notified for my next video. Thank you so much. So today we will be talking about saguaro cactus. Saguaro is a tree-like cactus species from the genus of Carnegie gigantea or gigantee. This is native to the Sonora Desert in Arizona, Mexican state of Sonora, and the Whipple Mountains and Imperial County areas of California. The empirical growth factors of this species are water and temperature. If the elevation is too high, the cold weather and frost may kill the saguaro. However, with the right growing conditions, this species can live to be as much as 150 to 200 years old. The beauty of this gigantic cactus is the state wildflower of Arizona, and lucky me to have the scenery just a minute away from my place. So relax and enjoy the beauty of Suguaro Lake from the state of Arizona. So if you would like to visit Arizona, or if you're already here in Arizona and you wanted to see this area, you can go to East Mesa and hit Power Road, and that will connect you to Bush Highway where you can find the Saguaro Lake. So here are the quick facts about saguaro cactus. Number 1, the saguaro is the largest cactus in the United States. Number 2, the roots of saguaros are only 4 to 6 inches deep. Number 3, after the saguaro dies, its woody ribs can be used to build roofs, fences, and parts of furniture. So there you have it, plant lovers. I hope you learned something from today's video. May you be happy, may you be well, may you be safe, may you be peaceful, and may the Holy Spirit continue to protect you and your loved ones today and always. See you there!